Welcome to YouTube channel Lingareddy Chemistry JNET. Chapter name is Carbohydrates. The subtopic is Fructose, Lecture 2. In today's video, we are going to discuss fructose structure and disaccharides. Okay. In the last video, we discussed glucose and its structure. Glucose and its structure we discussed. Now, fructose is an important ketohexose. It is obtained along with glucose by the hydrolysis of disaccharide sucrose. ये सुक्रोज है शुगर केन में रहता है, शुगर केन और केन शुगर दोनों बोलते हैं. Okay, sugar cane, you know. Okay, this sugar cane is also known as sucrose in the pure form. It is the plants are called sugar canes. The sucrose by the hydrolysis is producing in the equimolar means same number of moles of glucose and fructose. Okay. Now structure of fructose we are discussing. Fructose also has the molecular formula C6H12O6. ये दोनों का formula same है. Glucose formula also same. Glucose and fructose formula is same. C6H12O6. C6H12O6. ये दोनों कहाँ से आया? सुक्रोज से आया. From where it came? Sucrose. So what is the sucrose formula? ये डबल करना है. C12H22O11. See the combination, but you can observe that two hydrogens are less and one oxygen also less. That's why we are doing hydrolysis. We are adding H2O. Then we are getting this glucose and fructose. Now, on the basis of its reaction, it was found to contain a ketonic functional group. ये glucose में रहता है, वो aldehyde functional group is there. In the last class we discussed. Here it has ketone group is there. Ketonic functional group at carbon 2. ये तो aldehyde generally तो C1 पे रहता है. ये ketone बीच में होता है generally, that is C2. And 6 carbon in straight chain. दोनों में तो carbon same chain, straight chain था. As in the case of glucose, it belongs to D series. Both are D. ये भी तो D है, ये भी तो D है. D series and is lever rotatory compound. It's appropriately written D minus fructose. ये तो dextro rotatory था, D plus. This is the lever rotatory, D minus. The plus and minus indicating it is a clockwise rotation, optically activity showing. That means the molecule in the aqueous solution rotating plane polarized light PPL. वो लाइट को राइट साइड क्लॉकवाइज रोटेट करते. ये फ्रक्टोज है, सॉरी कीटोन, ऑफ कोर्स फ्रक्टोज. दिस फ्रक्टोज इज रोटेटिंग लाइट इन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, मीन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. दिस इज कॉल्ड लेवर रोटेशन एंड डेक्स्ट्रो रोटेशन. ओके, दिस डी इज इंडिकेटिंग, ये दोनों में डी, दिस डी इज इंडिकेटिंग द लास्ट chiral कार्बन में दिस OH group. OH group here, more electronegative group is at right side. You will get it again in the amino acid also, next topic में. Okay, if it is right side is there, that is showing by D. If it is left side is there, that is L. Amino acids में L होता है सब amino acid में. Okay, we will discuss in the next classes. Amino acids, all amino acids are L amino acids. Now carbohydrates all are D. So D means, capital D means right side OH. The plus and minus indicating optical activity. Minus means anti-clockwise, plus means clockwise. It also exists in two cyclic forms which are obtained by the addition of OH at C5 to the group. The ring thus formed is 5-membered ring. इसमें तो 5-membered बन रहे, लेकिन उसमें तो 6-membered बन रहे था. 6-membered. Okay? वो 6-membered कहाँ से? Generally C5 to C1 linkage. Here C5 to C2 linkage. Okay, C5 to C2, here C5 to C1, aldehyde functional group and fifth carbon, ketone functional group and fifth carbon. That's why it is a 5-membered ring. Okay, it is a 5-membered cyclic compound with 1 oxygen and 4 carbon atoms. You can observe here, anyone you can take it. So I am taking here number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5-membered ring. You can see the 5-membered ring. The 5-membered ring is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5-membered ring. Of course, the number is not given to one oxygen, because according to IUPAC we are giving the numbering for only carbon chain. That's why you can calculate from here. But the ring is 5-membered ring. We are talking about ring, so 5-membered ring is there. Right? Now, this ring is similar to furan. That's why these are known as furanose rings. Furanose rings. Okay. In case of glucose, pyranose rings. Pyranose. If you want, I will show that. Pyranose ring, there are 6-membered rings. These are the 5-membered ring. These are furanose. See, this pronunciation is few. It looks like few, means less number of carbons. Like that, just you link up that. Okay, 5-membered ring and 6-membered ring. Fructose mein 5-membered ring, because the functional group. See, the pyran structure, 6-membered ring is there. These are the pyranose structures. This is the glucose structure. Okay, glucose में alpha glucose and beta D glucose. ये D है, D मतलब वो right side होता है OH. You can see the structure also. You can see here right side OH. So that's why D, right side OH. Okay. Plus indicating clockwise rotation. Optical activities. So 5-membered ring. This 5-membered ring is looks like furan. That's why furanose structure is over. Now these structures given by Haworth. That's why these are also known as Haworth structures also. Haworth structures also. Okay. Next, disaccharides. The disaccharides we discussed in the introduction. Disaccharide means which can give 2 monosaccharides. It may be glucose, fructose, or it may be glucose and glucose also. Okay? Glucose and galactose. Okay, it may be like this, different or same, kuch bhi. But 2 monosaccharides are producing by the hydrolysis or with the dilute acids or enzyme, yield 2 molecules of either same or different monosaccharides. Same saccharide भी हो सकता है, different भी हो सकता है. The 2 monosaccharides are joined together by an oxide linkage. ये दोनों saccharide oxide बीच में रहता है, दोनों oxide linkage से connected होता है. How this oxide linkage is forming? By the loss of water molecule. If 2 OH groups are there, this glucose has OH group, this glucose has OH group, simply one water molecule is releasing, okay, then ether bond जैसे formation होता है. The loss of water molecules, such a linkage between 2 monosaccharide units through oxygen atom is called glycosidic linkage. Glycosidic linkage, this name you have to remember. Glycosidic linkage. I am writing here. Okay, you can see here. This is the glycosidic linkage. Okay, these 2 monosaccharides connected with this oxygen. This type of bond is called glycosidic linkage. How this is forming? Actually, here it was OH is there. Here also one OH is there. From these 2 OH groups, one H2O molecule is removed. Then ether formation is there. Ether type of bond is there. COC. C bond, O, C bond. Okay. We discuss a few disaccharides. One of the first disaccharide is sucrose. One of the common disaccharides is sucrose, which on hydrolysis gives equimolar mixture of D plus glucose and D minus fructose. You can see the equation. C12H22O11 sucrose by the hydrolysis giving D plus glucose and D minus fructose. These two monosaccharides are held together by a glycosidic linkage between C1 of alpha glucose and C2 of beta fructose. Okay, C1 carbon and C2 carbon. First of all, why C1 and C2? Because C1 पे तो aldehyde group था, here ketone group था. Okay, C2 पे. That's why this aldehyde and ketone, these are connecting. So C1 and C2. Easily you can remember this. Extra thing is here, it is alpha glucose, this is the beta fructose. These things you have to remember. Since the reducing groups of glucose and fructose are involved in the glycosidic bond formation, sucrose is a non-reducing sugar. Very important question here again. It is a non-reducing sugar. Non-reducing sugar means these are not react with tolens. Tolens test is not giving. Tolens में क्या होता है? Tolens is oxidizing agent, generally aldehyde converting into carboxylic acid. Okay, it can oxidizes aldehyde into carboxylic acid. That means tolens is oxidizing agent. Here aldehyde is the reducing agent. So aldehyde reducing the tolens reagent. But this sucrose cannot reduces the tolens. Vice versa. You can understand that final conclusion is tolens test is not given by sucrose. This is the conclusion. Okay, why we are calling reducing agent means this sucrose is not reducing the tolens reagent. Okay, answer to question, question to answer, vice versa. It is not reducing means indirectly क्या है? Tolens is not oxidizing the sucrose. That is only. Okay, what was the reason? Because these two functional groups are busy here, connected with oxygen. Glycosidic linkage, this cleavage is not happen in the presence of tolens. So here there is no functional group. That's why this sucrose is not giving tolens test. Okay. Now see, a few people may confuse that. So alpha glucose may I told you that whatever down groups are there in this structure, inside groups are there. Inside रिंग रहता है इसमें inside. So alpha अंदर ऐसा बोल दिया था. Down you can write. You may confuse that sir here OH तो down है. Why they written beta? Yes. See ये कब लेना है? वो clockwise structure लेना है कभी भी. Numbering देखो 1 2 3 4 ये तो clockwise में down is there. Down inside the ring. Inside the ring. ओके, वो अल्फा होता है. बट सी हियर ये तो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज है, मतलब वो ये मॉलिक्यूल को इतना उल्टा करो. इफ यू रोटेट लाइक दिस, उल्टा करो, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? दिस CH2OH will come down, this OH will go up. Okay, then automatically it becomes beta. Okay, so that's why they took the numbering is anti clockwise. क्लॉकवाइज में अल्फा स्ट्रक्चर, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज में क्या होगा? वो बीटा जैसा दिखता है, लेकिन तो वो बीटा नहीं है. ठीक है, अब ये क्या है? अभी अल्फा जैसा दिख रहा है, OH डाउन, मतलब वो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज में. एक्चुअली क्या होता है? ये बीटा. दैट्स व्हाई गिवन द नेम इज बीटा. सी हियर OH इज डाउन इज देयर, सो you may think that it should be alpha, but the numbering is reverse is there, that's why it would be beta, right? So this is the sucrose 1,2 बीच में एक glycosidic linkage है. Then sucrose is here one more important point here. This sucrose is dextrorotatory, but after hydrolysis gives डेक्स्ट्रो-रोटेटरी ग्लूकोज एंड लेवो-रोटेटरी फ्रक्टोज। ये तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्लियर है। सुक्रोज इज गिविंग glucose and fructose. Glucose we know that dextrorotatory, fructose we know that levorotatory, anticlockwise. Since the lever rotation of glucose, see sucrose है, sucrose is giving glucose and fructose. Glucose तो clockwise rotation है, fructose anticlockwise rotation. Now equimolar forming. Now fructose का है -92.4, ये ग्लूकोज का है +52.4, +52.4. सी आफ्टर ये तो सुक्रोज क्या था, क्लॉकवाइज रोटेशन प्लस था. आफ्टर हाइड्रोलिसिस विच इज डोमिनेटिंग, तो +52 -52 get cancelled, so resultant solution is minus. Resultant solution is anti-clockwise rotation is there. So that's why sucrose initially before hydrolysis it was D. That means clockwise rotation is there. After hydrolysis ये तो small d लिखना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो प्लस लिखना. Don't write capital D. Small d लिख सकते. Small d means dextro होता है. Dextro means clockwise rotation again. Okay, before hydrolysis it is clockwise rotation, after hydrolysis it is anti-clockwise rotation. ये rotation तो change हो गए, इसलिए इसका बोलते invert sugar. You can read this. The hydrolysis of sucrose brings about the changes in the sign of rotation from dextro to levo, and the product is named as invert sugar. Now you understood why we are calling this sucrose is invert sugar. Sucrose is called invert sugar. Why? Because before the hydrolysis it was dextro, after the hydrolysis it was levo. Okay, this is the reason it is also known as invert sugar. Here two points are there. One is it is a non-reducing sugar. Non-reducing sugar. Then it is the invert sugar also. Invert sugar. Okay, these 2 points are important. Remaining disaccharides generally reducing sugars होता है, and here the bond linkage C1 and C2 linkage, glycosidic linkage. These 3 points important, right? Next, maltose. In this maltose, another disaccharide. Maltose is composed of 2 alpha D glucose units in which C1 of one glucose is linked to C4 of another glucose unit. The free aldehyde group can be produced at C1 of second glucose. In the solution it is shows reducing properties, so it is reducing sugar. Except sucrose, remaining all disaccharides are reducing sugars only. Now the answer is why it is reducing sugar. See here first carbon, ये तो busy है इसमें, ठीक है, already it's linked. But see this is the first carbon. After hydrolysis में क्या करते हैं, इधर H इधर भी OH. देखो ये कार्बन के ऊपर 2 OH ग्रुप्स है. So in the lower class, in the last class, regular classes में we discussed on same carbon 2 OH groups are there, one water molecule is releasing and forming C double bond OH. Aldehyde is forming here after hydrolysis. Aldehyde is there means tolerance is giving. Tolerance is giving means reducing agent. It is a reducing sugar. Okay, this left side glucose is not giving but right side glucose is giving. So maltose, finally the conclusion is maltose is giving the tolerance test. Maltose is giving the tolerance test, so it is also known as reducing sugar. Okay, what was the reason here? Free aldehyde group is there after hydrolysis. See, after hydrolysis जरूरत नहीं है, even though this tolerance can cleave this bond. So making here aldehyde, but it is not possible in case of sucrose. Here important points are the glycosidic linkage is C1 and C4. It is the reducing sugar, and The products are alpha D glucose, but 2 moles of alpha D glucose. Alpha D glucose. Okay. In case of sucrose, alpha D glucose and beta D fructose. But here alpha D glucose and alpha D glucose. Next, lactose. It is more commonly known as milk sugar since this disaccharide is found in milk. It is composed of beta D galactose and beta D glucose. तो ग्लूकोज तो मैक्सिमम सब में है, इंपॉर्टेंट डाइसैकेराइड्स में. The linkage is between C1 of galactose and C4 of glucose, hence it is also a reducing sugar. See here, if you hydrolysis here OH, H and OH, so but here this oxygen is already its link, but here H and this side also it come OH, this OH and OH furtherly C double bond OH is forming, that means reducing sugar, reducing sugar. Now the important second point is, first of all here both are different, so maltose में कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, वो अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज था, अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज वो कब माल्टोज में, उसमें विच इज़ C1 विच इज़ C4 उसमें कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ते थे, वो C1 एंड C4 उसमें, ठीक है. लेकिन हियर नोट, हियर बोथ आर डिफरेंट, सो वन इज बीटा डी galactose and बीटा डी ग्लूकोज, ठीक है. ग्लूकोज में C4th कार्बन, galactose में galactose will come first, A will come first लेटर C1 लिंक करना ही है ऐसा, नहीं तो देयर इज नो ऑप्शन. ओके, galactose में C1, ग्लूकोज में C4, these two are connected with oxygen. This bond is called glycosidic linkage. Okay, this is a reducing sugar. It is found in milk में रहता है. Okay, this is the main lactose. Lactobacillus, you may heard about that. Lactobacillus is the bacteria which can convert milk into curd. Okay, so disaccharides over. In the next class we will discuss polysaccharides and importance of carbohydrates. Okay, thank you. Watch the video.